other cats fly too, but the ride's much smoother on my plane. On a Learjet, girl, it's just me and you. Just me and you. Them other cats fly, but they ain't got nothing on my plane. On a Learjet, girl, just me and you. Just me and you. Real smooth, no turbulence. Just the sense of herbal incense. Like lavender, having a grand old time, sipping cranberry juice with a lime. Diverse finger foods for your palate. Calming, reassuring words from the pilot. This rhyme flow had your old pal lit. If you ain't up on drool, you not valid. These eclectic gas lines get stuck in your head like infomercials for monster rock ballads. Whitesnake, they had me flown out, chillin' in crib eating chicken kebab with rocket salad. Arugula, all on his dime, and I ain't get a dime. People on my staff wasn't getting paid on time. Said don't worry if I write checks, I write rhymes. Them other cats fly too, but the ride's much smoother on my plane. On a Learjet, girl, it's just me and you. Just me and you. Them other cats fly, but they ain't got nothing on my plane. On a Learjet, girl, just me and you. Just me and you. Don't fight, let's take flight. Come with me as I write while we break night. Beat so clean, can hear tears dropping. My ears popping. Said nobody seeing me. It's like divine sources when I combine forces with RT and C. My G, TNT, Ted Turner. My next wisdom need an exorcism, she a head turner. Who you know sit and quote Grand Pooba, then tell you the lowest note on the tuba. Calling planes like a Uber. One click and we out to Aruba or Hawaii, nobody fly as me. Pretty women greet us as the plane land. My own spot with insane land. All from repeating the same thing like Rain Man. Just me and you. Just me and you. Them other cats fly, but they ain't got nothing on my plane. On a Learjet, girl, just me and you. Just me and you. Some of them do this as a goof. Here for a year, then disappear like poof. We shouldn't touch the same mics, let alone be sharing a booth. Auto-tune flailing like they got sharing a booth. Oof, stop comparing the truth with an unchallenged lie. Valiant try, but they can't take a team of scrubs to the finals like Al and I. In their wildest dreams couldn't do what I do. I'm your idol, the highest title, numero uno. I'm not a Puerto Rican, but my TV stay on Telemundo and C-SPAN. See what's poppin' in the Senate. When authentic got a batch, tell them send it. Not everyone is whack as hell. Some cats' albums be alright, they just package well. Aesthetically they're fine, but they got no lines. Music don't travel like mines.
You know what I'm saying? I feel you. And that's like a vibe of it. You know what I'm saying? You have to always be on some, like, yo, this nigga is like, he's tapped into another chamber. You know what I'm saying?
Straight up.
Of what's the word? Consciousness. You know what I'm saying?
I feel you.
Not, you know, when people think they talk about stream of consciousness, they talk about like the moral side of it. You know, I'm talking about like, yo, I'm seeing shit that motherfuckers ain't seeing. You know what I'm saying?